你好, welcome back to my channel, Chang Fun Learning, Chinese for beginners. In the last video, we practiced putting these initials and vowels together, but some students were confused about the blue highlighted row. Why it's ji, qi, xi, the vowel is e, but when it comes to the zh, ch, sh, and r, or the ZCS, it's not G, Chi, Shi, or it's not Z, Qi, Si, or G, because this is just a rule in Pinyin. So when the ZH, CH, and SH and RZ, CS are put together with E, the Pinyin is pronounced as the initial alone, as zh, ch, sh, zh, z, c, s. So if E going after these initials, it becomes mute. So let's go back. Look at these three here. Ji, qi, xi, no problem. It pronounced E. And then the zhi, chi, shi, zhi, zi, ci, si. I just had to point out because students pronounce like Z, qi, si. That's wrong. It's just a rule. One of the rules in Pinyin. You don't pronounce the E after ZH, CH, SH, RZ, CS, okay? It's become mute if there's E after these initials. All right, so today we're going to learn more compound finals. The first set of the compound finals are easy. This one, AI together, is I, and then EI together is A, and the next one, AO together, is ao, like saying 你好 the 好, HAO, 好. It's ao. And then the last one, OU together, it pronounced like the letter O in English. It's O, okay? So it's I, A, O, O. Very easy. Let's take a look at the compound finals second set before we practice. Okay, it's AN together, it's an, and then EN together is N, and then ANG together is on. You can feel it's very behind. And then the next one, ONG, is on. You need to shape your lips a little bit to be able to pronounce this pinyin, on, okay? So let's take a look at these four again. You pronounce it first. It's an, then this one, and then the next one, on, then the last one, on, okay? And then let's practice. So now we put some compound finals with the initials, and let's see if you remember how to pronounce them. Go ahead and pause and then pronounce by yourself. Then after you come back, I will pronounce them with you. Go ahead and pause right now. Okay. It wasn't that bad, right? Let's pronounce together. The first one, BAI. Bai. I might just add like a tone over for the pinyin, so it's easier. It makes more sense for me to pronounce. And then if it means something, I will tell you what it means. So the first one, bai, is one of the colors. Bai, 白色, white. And then the next one is LEI, is lei. Lei is tired. If you want to say I'm so tired, it's 我很累. 我很累. And then the third one, NAO, is 脑. 脑 is saying 脑袋, your head, 脑袋. And then next one, SHOU. Remember, OU pronounce you like the letter O, so it's 手. Third tone, 手 is hand. And the next one, HAN, is 汉. And then SHEN. Think about EN pronounced like N, so it's 神. In Chinese, 什么 means what. And the next one, think about the ANG pronounced like on, and then you put the c. You put the c in front, so it's 藏. And the next one, think about the ONG, on, and then you put zh in front, so it's 中. And then the next one, ONG, and the s together, so it's 宋. And the next one, NEI, it's 内. And then OU pronounced like O, letter O, so it's 头. Toe is another way to say head, toe. And then LAO, AO is ao, so 老 third tone means old. And then TAN, tan. And then next one, MEI, 美 means pretty, beautiful, 美. And then ZAO, AO, ao, and then Z, so 早 means morning, 早. And then the last one, ANG, on, and then you put M in front. So it's 忙. Second tone, 忙 means busy. So if you want to say I'm busy, I'm so busy, it's 我很忙. Okay, so in the next video, we'll learn more complicated compound finals. But you're doing great, and we'll practice more. And don't feel bored to learn all the pinyin right now, because it's the most important foundation for you to be able to pronounce Chinese characters properly, and also to be able to hear, like when you hear other people say stuff, you can figure out, oh, that is LAO, that is NEI, that is ZAO in Pinyin. So you're able to pick up words. So it's actually very important for you to be able to acquire language when you know Pinyin very well. Okay, you're doing a great job. I will see you in the next video. Bye.